If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with interstitial lung disease, ILD, you know how important it is to find effective medications that can help manage your symptoms and improve your quality of life. In this video, we will be exploring the top 5 medications that are commonly prescribed for ILD, providing you with valuable information to discuss with your healthcare provider. When it comes to ILD, finding the right medication can be a journey. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to determine which ones will be most beneficial for you. That's why we've done the research for you, highlighting the medications that have shown the most promise in effectively treating ILD. From immunosuppressants to antifibrotic drugs, each medication on this list offers unique benefits that target the underlying causes of ILD. By understanding how these medications work and their potential side effects, you can make informed decisions about your treatment plan. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new medication or making changes to your current treatment regimen. Now, let's dive into the details of the top 5 medications for interstitial lung disease. Understanding interstitial lung disease, ILD. Interstitial lung disease, ILD, refers to a group of lung disorders characterized by inflammation and scarring of the lung tissue. This scarring, also known as fibrosis, can lead to a decrease in lung function and cause symptoms such as shortness of breath, coughing, and fatigue. There are various types of ILD, including idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, sarcoidosis, and connective tissue disease-associated ILD. While the specific cause of ILD is often unknown, certain risk factors, such as exposure to environmental toxins, smoking, and certain medications, can contribute to its development. Common symptoms of ILD. The symptoms of ILD can vary depending on the type and severity of the disease. However, there are some common symptoms that many individuals with ILD experience. These include shortness of breath. One of the primary symptoms of ILD is difficulty breathing, particularly during physical activity or exertion. As the disease progresses, shortness of breath can also occur at rest. Persistent cough. ILD can cause a chronic cough that produces phlegm. This cough may be dry or accompanied by blood. Fatigue. Many individuals with ILD experience extreme fatigue, even with minimal physical activity. Weight loss. Unintentional weight loss can occur as a result of the increased energy required for breathing and the reduced ability to tolerate food due to breathlessness. Clubbing of the fingers. In some cases, ILD can cause the fingertips to become enlarged and rounded, a condition known as finger clubbing. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. Overview of ILD treatment options. The treatment of ILD typically involves a multidisciplinary approach, including medication, lifestyle changes, and pulmonary rehabilitation. The goal of treatment is to slow the progression of the disease, manage symptoms, and improve overall lung function. In addition to medication, other treatment options for ILD may include oxygen therapy, pulmonary rehabilitation, and lung transplantation in severe cases. It's important to work closely with your healthcare provider to develop a personalized treatment plan that meets your specific needs. Importance of medication in managing ILD. Medication plays a crucial role in managing ILD by targeting the underlying causes of the disease and reducing inflammation and fibrosis in the lungs. While medication cannot cure ILD, it can help slow the progression of the disease, alleviate symptoms, and improve quality of life. It's important to note that the choice of medication will depend on the type and severity of ILD, as well as individual factors such as age, overall health, and any existing medical conditions. Your healthcare provider will assess your specific situation and prescribe the most appropriate medication for you. Top 5 medications for interstitial lung disease. Medication 1. Corticosteroids. Corticosteroids, such as prednisone and methylprednisolone, are commonly prescribed for ILD to reduce inflammation in the lungs. These medications work by suppressing the immune system and reducing the body's natural immune response, thereby decreasing inflammation and preventing further damage to the lung tissue. While corticosteroids can be effective in managing ILD symptoms, they are typically used for short-term treatment due to their potential side effects. Prolonged use of corticosteroids can lead to side effects such as weight gain, mood changes, increased risk of infection, and osteoporosis. Therefore, it's important to work closely with your healthcare provider to find the lowest effective dose and monitor for any potential side effects. Medication 2. Immunosuppressants. In addition to corticosteroids, immunosuppressants may be prescribed for ILD to further suppress the immune system and reduce inflammation. Medications such as azathioprine, mycophenolate, and cyclophosphamide are commonly used in the treatment of ILD. Immunosuppressants work by suppressing the body's immune response, which can help prevent further damage to the lung tissue. These medications are often used in combination with corticosteroids to achieve optimal results. However, like corticosteroids, immunosuppressants can have side effects, including an increased risk of infection and liver toxicity. Regular monitoring and close supervision by your healthcare provider are essential when taking immunosuppressant medications. Medication 3. Antifibrotics. Antifibrotic medications, such as pirfenidone and nintedanib, have shown promising results in slowing the progression of idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, IPF, a common form of ILD. These medications work by targeting the fibrotic process in the lungs, reducing inflammation, and preventing further scarring. While antifibrotics can help slow the progression of IPF, they may not be suitable for all individuals with ILD. Your healthcare provider will assess your specific situation and determine if antifibrotic therapy is appropriate for you. It's important to note that antifibrotics can have side effects, including gastrointestinal symptoms and liver abnormalities. Regular monitoring and close supervision are necessary when taking antifibrotic medications. Medication 4. Oxygen therapy. Oxygen therapy is a common treatment for ILD, particularly for individuals with low blood oxygen levels. Supplemental oxygen can help improve breathing and alleviate symptoms such as shortness of breath and fatigue. Oxygen therapy can be administered through various devices, including nasal cannulas, face masks, and portable oxygen concentrators. Your healthcare provider will determine the appropriate oxygen delivery method and prescribe the appropriate oxygen flow rate based on your specific needs. Medication 5. Pulmonary rehabilitation. While not a medication in the traditional sense, pulmonary rehabilitation plays a vital role in managing ILD. Pulmonary rehabilitation programs typically involve a combination of exercise, education, and support to help improve lung function, increase exercise tolerance, and enhance overall quality of life. These programs are designed to meet the individual needs of each person with ILD and may include exercises to improve lung capacity, education on breathing techniques, nutritional counseling, and emotional support. Participating in a pulmonary rehabilitation program can significantly improve symptoms and overall well-being for individuals with ILD. Conclusion. Finding the right medication for interstitial lung disease, ILD, is crucial in managing symptoms and improving quality of life. The top 5 medications discussed in this video, including corticosteroids, immunosuppressants, antifibrotics, oxygen therapy, and pulmonary rehabilitation, offer unique benefits in targeting the underlying causes of ILD. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new medication or making changes to your current treatment regimen. They will assess your specific situation and prescribe the most appropriate medication or treatment plan for you. By staying informed about the available treatment options and working closely with your healthcare provider, you can take proactive steps towards managing your ILD and breathing easier.